Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about the NEAD, that is a National Academic Depository. So it is the initiation of the University Grants Commission under the central government. So now I am going to give the details regarding this National Academic Depository and what is its importance. And each and everybody has to register in this NEAD. Then it will be very beneficial to you also. So initially here, what they mentioned is that degrees, certificates, mark sheets, etc. are stored digitally and available to students 24/7. Online, quick and reliable verification of academic awards. Okay. So while coming to this National Academic Depository, see here, National Academic Depository is a national system set up by Ministry of Human Resource Development and University Grants Commission by appointing NSDL Database Management Limited to facilitate academic institutions to digitally, securely and quickly issue online academic awards to the students directly in their online NEAD account. The student can access certificate at any time and authorize employers, banks to view and verify the certificates. No more need to carry originals, submitting attested photocopies, wait for verification of documents. So NEAD makes it online now. Join now. That means the main importance of this NEAD is that you can able to store all your academic certificates and academic awards, everything in this National Academic Depository website, so such that you need not to carry your originals. And for scholarship verification and for academic verification, you need not to carry your attested photocopies and original certificates, all these things. Why? Because if you are going to interview to any one companies, then carrying the original certificates from one place to another place, so it's some kind of risky sometimes. So because if you lost the original certificates, then it is very difficult to recover the duplicate certificates for that one. So that's why it is a very good opportunity to all the candidates that you can store all of your original certificates in the National Academic Depository, such that you need not to carry your original certificates to the interview, just like to the PhD interview or any kind of lecturer interviews, any kind of interviews you need not to carry. And if you're applying for the scholarships or the fellowships, any kind of thing, you need not to go to the center or the welfare offices for the verification purpose. So directly the concerned person or the concerned scholarship fellows can able to identify or can able to see your original photocopies in the website itself, that means in the National Academic Depository website itself, so that it will be authenticated immediately and all the sanctions can be granted at the time itself. You need not to wait for a long time for the verification purpose. And if you want to read more about this National Academic Depository, see here. It's an initiative of the MHRD to facilitate digital storage, access and verification of academic awards issued by the academic institutions. And NEAD is a unique, innovative and progressive initiation under the Digital India theme towards achieving digital enablement of the educational records. NEAD aspires to make the vision of digital academic certificates for every Indian a reality. This touches the lives of Indian youth and empowers them with digital, online, trusted and verifiable certificates which are accessible in a secure manner at all the times. NEAD promises to do away with difficulties, inefficiencies of collecting, maintaining and presenting physical paper certificates. Okay, you don't have to submit or anything with the help of physical paper certificates, so everything must be the online. Each and everybody can able to easily authenticate and verify your scholarships without having any kind of attestations and affidavit, all these things. And NEAD is a complete system for issuing online certificates to well-identified and registered students. NEAD integrates directly with the boards, universities who issue certificates and hence ensures authenticity of certificate records. NEAD will develop an online portfolio of all education certificates for every citizen across academic institutions, which can be submitted easily for employment, higher education and loan also. You need not to physically submit your certificates to the bank for educational loan. From this National Academic Depository itself, your certificates will be verified, and for issuing loan also it will be very easy. NID will be an active online place for students, academic institutions, and verification users. So NID brings in a deterrence factor for people who wish to think that paper certificates can be easily forged, created, and as verification process are costly and inefficient, they can use arbitrage. By doing so, it is also brings trust and credibility to genuine certificate holders and make their certificates trusted and easily accepted. Okay, and one more thing from the MHRD. MHRD is facilitated in conducting National Academic Depository Awareness Conference across the country, which were participated by all academic institutions to understand the NAD, its features, benefits, and working. Okay. So NSDL Database Management Limited is a 100% subsidiary of a National Securities Depository Limited. So NSDL is registered with the SEBI under Depository Act. NDML has been appointed by MHRD and UGC to develop and operate NAD system. Okay, so it is very beneficial to all the postgraduates or undergraduates or who are having the academic certificates. They can able to store in the NAD website itself, such that you need not to carry your physical certificates to anywhere, and you need not to bother about the tearing of the certificates and the losing of the certificates, all these things. And how to store your certificates in this NSDL website, here I am going to show now. So click on this register. So after clicking on this register, then you will be directed to this one. So here you can see here, register using your Aadhaar card. Okay, so you can register with respect to the Aadhaar card. Aadhaar paperless offline e-key, that means you have to upload here your Aadhaar card and you have to choose one password, and it is a CAPTCHA, and then next click on this one, then you have to click on this submit. If you don't have the Aadhaar, then you have to process this one. Okay, you have to follow these things if you don't have the Aadhaar. Of course, most of the candidates are having the Aadhaar, so you can follow this procedure, and after submitting, you will be provided with a username and a password. With the help of that username and password, you just log in here, and after login, you can able to store all your certificates, whatever the soft copies of your certificates are there, you can able to store here. And the employer or the bank people who wants to issue the loan to you, and for the scholarship verification purpose, all the things, all these things can able to verify your certificates in the online itself in this NSDL website, such that whatever the grants are there, all the grants will be sanctioned immediately without having any kind of delays. Okay, so it is a very beneficial to the students. So please utilize this opportunity, and in future that UGC will make compulsion to each and every candidates and institutes that they has to register to this National Academic Depository, and each and every candidate has to upload their certificates, or issuing the certificates may also happens from this website in future. Okay,